Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to make an animated title in Openshot video editor using the integration with Blender. But before I get into the video, in case we never met before, my name is George Shamoun, and on this channel I create video tutorials about video editing, live streaming, screencasting and recording, creating SVG files, and web pages using Visual Studio Code. So if you are interested in any of those topics or software and how to use them, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any future updates. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an animated title in Openshot video editor using the feature of Blender, the built-in feature. And I have on the track number 4 about 3 video clips here, like they're from my 2019 trip to Lebanon. So let's add this title here. I'm gonna go up to the title menu, and you go down to animated title, and this is the sign of the symbol of Blender, and you left click the mouse, and you can end up with this screen here, with this window, and on the top it says animated titles between parentheses powered by Blender, and you got those options here. So let's use this option. I like this one, the wireframe text. So no, okay. So first you get this window here, and what's gonna happen, the file name, you have to give it a name. Let's give it my title. Start again. Okay, so you gotta give the file name a name here. So let's give it title1, and here where it says title in a title field in this box, you can add whatever you wanna type. So I'm gonna type here 2019 Lebanon trip. Okay, and there are options here. I don't know exactly how to use them. I never changed them. I have to figure out how to fine-tune this animation. So I'm gonna leave them as is now, but I just want to show you how to create that title. So now you go down and you hit render. Once you hit render, you have to wait. So you can use any one of those. Like this one, it shows you a magic wand. I don't know exactly what it does. This one here, fly towards, I tried it. So you can type the title you want, and once the animation is done, it shows you the title coming towards you. And so there you have it, how to animate a title in Openshot using Blender. And to recap, once you open Openshot, you go to the title here, and you go down to animated title, and you click on it. You're gonna get this box, and you choose what kind of animation you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for this animation, and what happened, I've been getting these messages recently. It looks like they're looking for Blender 2.78 or greater, and I think that's what I have, but it looks like it's erroring out. I don't know why the error. So but before I used to do it on previous So figure it out or let me know what you think, because I cannot figure out why it's doing this. I tried it so many times. So, all right, if you have any questions, submit them in a comment. Thank you.